Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Take two more sections, tie it up more towards the left side as such. Continue to do this. As for the third time, tie it up in the middle. Continue to alternate between the sections as such. Now finally, take two more sections and wrap it around in a ponytail at the bottom. Add decorative pins to this. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back in the middle. Repeat the step right underneath it and then tie all of them up in the same spot as well. Add decorative pins in a row. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Repeat the step once more and another time as such. Now, once you reach the base of the scalp and you are done with this, continue on and then add some decorative pins to it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, roll it in on itself, however, do not bring it all the way through. Bring it from the bottom to the top as such and leave the puff be. Now continue to do the same thing about 2 or 3 more times underneath this as such. Once you reach the bottommost part of it, make a braid out of it and roll this braid upwards as such. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side and begin to braid it as such. Take a section of the hair from the right side and once more create a braid out of this as well. Join the two at the back and the bottom. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle and roll the hair in on itself 2 times as such. Bring it through the top as such and now let the top hair down and join the two together. Using this hair instrument, firstly insert it into place and now begin to take sections of the hair and then insert it into each of the crevices that are present in this device that we have taken. Make a normal braid at the bottom once the length is done with. Add a rubber band at the bottom of this. Take the top section of the hair, tie it up at the back as such, lift it up and keep it aside. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back loosely. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and quite literally make a knot at the base of this, add a rubber band to it. Repeat this step about 2 or 3 more times. Now add a decorative pin to the bottom of it. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and tie it up at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle of the section and now roll the hair in on itself through this middle section. Pull it out through the top as such. Take the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Take two sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself. Once again, take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Pull it through the middle section that you have created as such. Comb it in place and then add decorative pins to it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side and now tie a knot out of it, quite literally. Add a rubber band at the base of this. Once more, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up and then add a rubber band at the base of this. With the bottom, make a fishtail braid out of it. Tie a rubber band to it once you reach the bottom and then adjust the rest of it using your fingers. Add decorative pins to it. Take the top section of the hair, tie it up at the back and now add a rubber band in the middle. Roll the hair in on itself in this middle section as such. Lift this upwards and then tie a rubber band around this. Comb the hair into place. Start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and then wrap it around the rest of the hair and then make a ponytail-like effect out of it. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle of the section, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section and pull it through the top as such. Comb it into place. Add another rubber band in this middle section, roll it in on itself, wrap it around the top and then adjust it. Thank you for watching.